Are you tired of endless CAPTCHA prompts and overcrowded servers? Well, you can say goodbye to these pests after watching this dedicated IP tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get it and set it up. So stay tuned. Before we begin, I want to let you know this video is split into two parts: getting the dedicated IP and then configuring it for use. I've added timestamps so you can jump to the relevant section. All right, now what exactly is a dedicated IP? Typically, VPN providers have a list of static IPs you can connect to. However, the issue is that the IP you get is not unique to you. Other people can be assigned to the same one, which can lead to unpleasant issues, such as frequent CAPTCHA prompts. A dedicated IP is a static IP too, but it's meant for your use only, letting you bypass the CAPTCHAs and slow speeds. Other dedicated IP benefits include bypassing IP restrictions and blacklists. Although streaming services are a popular reason people get dedicated IPs, you shouldn't actually need one at all if you're already using a reputable VPN provider. Now, I've used the market-leading NordVPN Dedicated IP for this tutorial, but just know the process is similar across all VPN providers, so you'll have no problem following along even if you aren't using NordVPN. To get the dedicated IP, you first need a VPN subscription. If you don't have one, here's how to get NordVPN. But before we get into that, really quickly, I've scored an exclusive discount just for you. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen to grab your NordVPN subscription at an unbeatable price and start securing your privacy today. All right, back to it. Once you're in checkout, there's a dedicated IP option under the Additional Services tabs. You need to click this one to get the feature. If you already have a NordVPN subscription, getting the dedicated IP is even simpler. To get it, you'll need to log into your NordVPN account. Click NordVPN on the left, and then Get Dedicated IP should be selected from the tabs in the middle. After that, all you need to do is fill out the required information to complete the purchase. Great. Now that we got that out of the way, we can dive into the How to Set Up Dedicated IP guide. If you're using NordVPN, you can simply follow the instructions on screen. If not, the steps should be similar for other providers too, so no worries. First, log into your Nord account if you're not logged in already. After doing so, select NordVPN on your dashboard. If your dedicated IP isn't ready to use yet, you'll see a Setup Required warning in the Dedicated IP tab. Then click the Setup Dedicated IP button. After that, a new window pops up. Open the Preferred IP Address Location drop-down menu and select a country. All you need to do now is click Setup Dedicated IP. An IP will be assigned to you in the country you've chosen. Once that's done, you'll now see your dedicated IP address in the Dedicated IP tab. Congrats! Now you know how to set up NordVPN Dedicated IP. If you're unsure how to connect for Windows, here's a quick NordVPN Dedicated IP tutorial for Windows. The process is similar across all operating systems, so you'll have no trouble following along. First, open your NordVPN application and log in. Locate the specialty servers and the dedicated IP in the top left corner of the application. After doing so, go to the dedicated IP category and click on the three-dot button to select your dedicated IP country and server. You can also find your dedicated IP by entering its server country and number in the search bar. Then click Connect, and you're set. You might wonder why I chose NordVPN for this dedicated IP tutorial. Previously, NordVPN's dedicated IP setup was far from perfect. You needed to wait for a response from their support to activate it and then merge two accounts. It was a hassle. But recently, NordVPN improved the process tremendously. Not only is it easy to set up now, but it also expanded the selection of locations you can choose your dedicated IP from to include the US, Sweden, Italy, Japan, and many more options. And of course, I also chose NordVPN since it's as secure as a VPN can get. A fact proved by its encryption and independent audits of its no logs policy. Plus, the provider also offers many additional security features. Couple this with their fast connection with the NordLynx protocol and spotless reputation, and you have a reliable, easy to use, and secure digital security tool. So for me, this provider is hands down the best dedicated IP VPN on the entire market. That's it for my dedicated IP tutorial. If you're still deciding which is the best VPN dedicated IP option for you, that's obviously up to you to decide. But in my opinion, NordVPN is a great choice. That said, other top-tier VPN providers have decent dedicated IP options too. And one last time, I'm leaving a big discount for NordVPN on screen, so go grab it, you. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.